welcome you all on behalf of NHA and Maharashtra on the orientation workshop on ABDM.
Today, here we are having a one-day orientation to the district level medical officers along with the PMUs in the presence of the senior delegates about the Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Mission.
The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission was launched in 2021 and it's been 3 years now. At NHA, we feel that you have that power and the understanding to actually implement the mission. The concept of the digital mission and the essence of the digital mission is that there is sharing of records, but only with the consent of the patient.
Good acoustics, so hope we will have a good day. So thank you Maharashtra team. Thank you all other states, Rajasthan, Odisha, Lakshadweep, for also coming and participating in this workshop. Thanks to additional CEO sir for taking time out of his busy schedule to give us advice and suggestions to implement this mission.
भारत में 137 करोड़ 137 करोड़ आधार बन चुके हैं और ऑफ कोर्स मोबाइल कनेक्टिविटी और मोबाइल कनेक्शंस। आने वाले समय में सरकार, प्राइवेट सेक्टर, स्टार्टअप्स इसका इस्तेमाल करके दे कैन गिव यू डिजिटल सर्विसेज।
मैं सबसे पहले NHA का आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं कि ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय के लिए उन्होंने आज ये रीजनल वर्कशॉप रखा है। As we all know, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji launched this very ambitious mission on 15th of August 2020, that is almost 4 years back. The most important sector of our life is health, and health should have a lot of digital influence. Not many things should happen digitally rather than people going physically to everywhere. As Vasant ji said, it is very pathetic to note that poor people are waiting for hours together at the facilities, and even after this waiting they are not sure whether they will be able to get the proper treatment ultimately or not. And this is what our digital mission has achieved so far, that whatever waiting time he showed was 45 to 50 minutes, now has come back to 4 to 5 minutes.
During the saturation of ABHA, we go to door and we go to the CMHO's level. And the single question that raised by all the CMHOs and all the district levels or maybe the private players, that why the ABHA is required when we have a Aadhaar number.
आधार हमारा नेशनल आईडी है। आधार जब बनाया गया तो उसके साथ हमारे फिंगरप्रिंट्स और हमारी बायोमेट्रिक्स और ये सब भी सरकार ने स्टोर किया। आधार के बारे में लोगों की इसी तरह से डाउट्स हुए, लोगों को लगा कि नहीं आधार के साथ हमारा पर्सनल आईडी लिंक हो चुका है, हमारे बायोमेट्रिक्स लिंक हो चुके हैं। इसकी सिक्योरिटी को लेके जब लोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास गए तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि इस पे गाइडलाइंस बनाई जाए UIDAI के द्वारा। तो UIDAI ने कहा कि आधार नंबर कोई भी ऐरा गैरा सिस्टम, डेटा सिस्टम स्टोर नहीं करेगा।
Ayushman Bharat Health Account, we have 14 digit unique ID for each individual. हर सिटीजन को अपना एक 14 डिजिट का यूनिक कोड बनाना है, जो कि आपने अभी ऑलरेडी देखा उसका बेनिफिट्स क्या है, स्कैन एंड शेयर।
When the entire India is having all the health facilities registered, then your records wherever created in anywhere in India, you can share anywhere in any health facility or any health professional, you can share with your consent. This is what the simple digital health world we are trying to create.
The digital health incentive scheme, again there was some issue about registering, and finally the hospital has been registered under the DHIS scheme on 18/4/2024.
As far as the facilities are concerned, we have almost all the super specialties except the cath lab and multi-operation theatres and intensive care units, burn units, and as far as diagnostic are concerned, we have MRI, CT scan and all the laboratory services.
ABHA is created at the dedicated counter. Average number of patients undergoing scan and share is 5 to 7.
We have 19 medical colleges and hospitals that we have started with HMIS. All 19 medical colleges are integrated, linked with DHIS and scan and share. It's functional. Planned to demonstrate during the G20 as well. So we identified certain windows separately apart from the routine OPD windows for scan and share.
You have to handhold your facility continuously. I have find out their gaps, train them on that. Infrastructure तो हो जाएगा. I think most of the states have done this through the NHM. NHM funding infrastructure issues have been handled. The big challenge is coming is the continuous monitoring, coordination and training.
National Digital Health Mission was being approved by the Union Cabinet. So the Finance Secretary had asked the CEO NHA that digital health initiatives across the world
concerns I have taken. According to me, these concerns might have been addressed by DPDP Act. Once the rules are coming, it will be very clear. Because all these aspects have been handled in that.
ठीक है, तो इसमें ये है कि HP और HFR और ABDM के साथ ये जो कर रहे थे, इसका पाथ तो हम नहीं दिखाए थे कि इस्टोपिया के साथ जाना है हमें.
स्कूल डेज में जब साइकिल सीखी थी हमने तो बहुत टाइट हैंडल पकड़ते थे कि कहीं गिर नहीं जाए, और जब साइकिल सीख गए तो हैंडल छोड़ के चलाते थे मस्ती से. तो जब हम आए थे हैंडल पकड़ के साइकिल चला रहे थे ABDM की, और जब जा रहे हैं तो आराम से हाथ छोड़ के साइकिल चलाएंगे.
It is now widely accepted that digitalization is the design for development, and data, of course, is the new dollar. Our systems can be easily integrated and adapted to any future requirements that are bound to crop up.
I would request Dr. Nitin Ambedkar sir to kindly felicitate Mr. Ramesh Chavan sir, CEO NHA. Nitin Ambedkar sir to kindly felicitate Lata ma'am for guiding us and encouraging us in the whole workshop.
Myself, Dr. Prabhat Kumar, Civil Surgeon comes Chief Medical Officer of Ranchi, Jharkhand. काफ़ी ये आज का जो सेशन हुआ बहुत ही मोटिवेटिंग था, और इतना अच्छा ऑडियंस भी शायद हमको कहीं नहीं देखने को मिला है कि लोग एक बिल्कुल पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस की तरह सुनते रहे सारी चीज़ों को, क्योंकि काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से सब कुछ बताया गया. और हम लोग जो जा कर के झारखंड में गोल तो है अल्टीमेटली एंड टू एंड, बट ऑलरेडी हम लोग कुछ शुरू कर चुके हैं स्कैन एंड शेयर, और उसको हम लोग आज भी ग्रुप में देख रहे थे कितने स्कैन एंड शेयर हुए हैं. हमारे हॉस्पिटल में भी हो रहे हैं और बाकी हॉस्पिटल्स में भी.
We have identified 100 facilities throughout the country. Maybe your district may be having one of it. So please concentrate on the model facility and follow the guidelines whatever we are giving.
From the started to the digital mission, this has given a push to Maharashtra also, because all our DHOs, CS are also present and MOH is also present.
We had this is the third in the series. Among all third, this is the number one.
Thank you.